Hi grade 3, how are you? Today I'm going to talk about comparatives. But at the beginning I want to talk about adjectives, then I will talk about their comparative forms. Now let's take a look on these sentences. The boy is tall, the car is big, he is happy. Tall, big, happy here describes only one thing and one person. Tall describes only the boy, big describes only the car. Now, if you want to compare between two things, you have to change the adjective into comparative adjective. And you have to start a comparative sentence with a noun plus verb plus adjective plus er, here comparative adjective plus than plus noun at the end. Noun here will be an object. Okay, let's work together. Here we have a boy and a girl, and I want to compare between them. Look here, tall here is a regular adjective with one syllable. Just add er in the end to make it comparative adjective. Plus than. So the boy is taller than the girl. The same thing, short, just add er in the end to make it comparative adjective plus than. Short becomes shorter. The girl is shorter than the boy. Now here, I want to compare between the bus and the car. Big here is a short adjective, ends with vowel and consonant. And if a short adjective ends with a vowel and consonant, you have to double letter or the last letter before adding er, as in big. Here you have to double letter G before adding er. So big becomes bigger. The bus is bigger than the car. So for one syllable adjectives, just add er to the end. Small becomes smaller, big bigger, tall taller, short shorter. Rashid here is happy. Time is sad. Happy is an adjective with two syllables, 1, 2, and its end with letter Y. So here you have to remove letter Y and write instead of it I and write er. Add er in the end to make it comparative. So you have, if the adjective ends with letter Y, you have to remove Y in the end and write I instead of it. Happy, happier. Rashid is happier than Time. So for two syllable adjectives that end in Y, remove Y and add IER. Happy, happier. Heavy, heavier. Pretty, prettier. Funny, funnier. Now get your student's book, open it, page 90. I'm going to do the first exercise with you. Write the correct form of the adjective in each sentence. My brother is bigger than me. Big becomes bigger. Your hair is curlier than my hair. Curly becomes curlier. Change Y to I, then add ER. I am 2 centimeters shorter than you. Short becomes shorter. Just add ER. Helen's backpack is heavier than her purse. Heavy becomes heavier. Change Y to I, then add ER. The book is lighter than the computer, so light becomes lighter. Now turn to next page, please, and compare the two things in a sentence. Use the adjectives given. Let's do number 2. We have the adjective dark. Now write the noun at the beginning. Nina's hair, then the verb is. Then change the adjective to comparative adjective, darker than. Maria's hair. Happy. Linda, Tom. The same thing, write the noun. Tom is happier than Linda. Happy becomes happier. And you have homework in your workbook, page 50. Please try to do it, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.